To close your US mobile line, first back up any important contacts or data, as this process is irreversible. Next, contact US Mobile Support at 1-888-944-6757 or use the Close Account form on their website. You'll need to provide your account details, the last four digits of your SIM card, and proof of ownership, like your PIN or security questions. If you're planning to move your number to another carrier like Verizon, first initiate the porting process separately to avoid losing your number. Line closure typically takes 7 to 14 days. Ensure any outstanding balances are settled to prevent complications. US Mobile doesn't charge for closing your account, but they may deduct any final balances. Closing your line is just part of the process. To fully delete your account, you also need to request the removal of your personal data. Under privacy laws like the California Consumer Privacy Act, you have the right to have your data deleted. This includes information like your name, address, payment details, location data, and browsing history. To request data removal, submit a request through US Mobile's privacy portal. After submitting, confirmation should be sent within 45 days. Note that some data may be retained for legal or fraud prevention purposes, but this is usually anonymized. Deletion involves overwriting or isolating the data in encrypted databases to comply with security standards like ISO 27001. While US Mobile claims 99% compliance with data deletion requests, it's wise to monitor for any lingering data. According to experts from the EFF, users should also check for data shadows in third-party apps connected to your account. If you encounter any issues, demand an audit trail to ensure complete removal.